I'm Prateek. I'm from New Delhi and I'm studying here in Mohali in Chandigarh University. In my university, there are a lot of students. I'm from computer science department actually. So there are a lot of students and faculty. They are not able to give us one-on-one mentoring program is not there. So my Python and a few other programming languages, they became a little weak. So to refresh my concepts, I joined EME Technologies. You get one-on-one mentoring here, and the working environment is very good. The teachers are very much supportive, and now I'm shining right in my Python language. Thank you very much.